Welcome to Testing Car, and today we're diving into one of the most iconic names in American automotive history, the 1950 Chevrolet Bel Air. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of nostalgia that captures the post-war optimism of the United States. When you see that chrome grille, wide white-wall tires, and curvaceous body lines, you know you're looking at more than just metal. You're looking at an era that defined the American dream on wheels. Back in 1980, the Bel Air was introduced as part of the Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe series. It was the first year Chevrolet used the Bel Air name, and it was specifically for a two-door hardtop coupe, a brand new body style for Chevy at the time. This model gave Americans a taste of luxury styling at an affordable price. You had the look of a convertible, thanks to its pillarless roof, but with the practicality and structure of a fixed hardtop that made the Bel Air instantly popular, and set the stage for what would become a legendary nameplate. Under the hood, the 1950 Bel Air was powered by Chevrolet's dependable, Stovebolt 216.5 cubic inch inline-six engine. It made around 92 horsepower and came paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. And later, Chevy's new Powerglide automatic transmission became available. While those numbers may not sound impressive by today's standards, back then, it was a solid combination of reliability and smooth cruising. People weren't looking for raw speed in 1950, they wanted comfort, class, and a car that would last, and that's exactly what the Bel Air delivered. One of the standout features of the 1950 model was its styling. The hardtop roofline was sleek and flowed beautifully into the rear fenders, giving the car a low and luxurious profile. Chrome detailing was everywhere, from the bumpers to the window trim to the full-width grille that made a bold statement. Inside, the cabin was surprisingly refined for its time. You got a two-tone dashboard, cloth or leather upholstery, and a steering wheel that looked more like art than function. Everything about the Bel Air screamed class, but beyond the specs and the style, the Bel Air represented something bigger. This car hit the market during a time of booming industry, returning soldiers, and suburban expansion. Owning a Bel Air meant you were moving up in the world. It meant Saturday night cruises, drive-in movies, and Sunday road trips with the family. It symbolized a better